Hello Prolog, welcome back to my channel. Tem tugas ni yuk khanai phi ke general knowledge yang kami khilia. Te yak tu giwa prepare MPSC la NDSC te tahap hi ke general knowledge phang kami khilia. Te em lud hini. Te hini de yo lud hi dong sedang phang kami khilia. Te yo sedang noi yak ni ke question or answer. Hini wa de yo phi ta piyong ti ke tak wa yong. Tak itu answer umne sway pure pun ki option you come smart like bam por you ang by direct question answer. The first question, what is the total area of Meghalaya? Total area of Meghalaya, correct answer is C, 22,429 kilometer square. Which is the largest district of Meghalaya? Correct answer D, West Khasi Hill. M was 5,249 kilometer square. Which country is comparable to the size of Meghalaya? Correct answer C, Belize, 22,960 kilometer square. Which is the Sanskrit meaning of the Meghalaya? Correct answer C, above of cloud. Which is the capital of Meghalaya? The Telebun Piwatip. Correct answer B, Shillong. Which two districts of Assam was carved off from the state of Meghalaya? The Kegi Kitegi district Chua Wayogi, the Chua Miginaka state yang Assam, Toka United, Khasi Hill and Giant Hill and Garo Hill. Correct answer B. What is the capital of Assam before this sport? The Chua Dispor capital yang Assam, Toka Shillong. Correct answer A. When was Meghalaya separate from Assam? Napun the Pita TV ni. Correct answer A, 22 January 1972. Which is the length and breadth ratio of Meghalaya? The length and breadth ratio of Meghalaya. Correct answer D, 3:1. How many districts are in Meghalaya? Correct answer D, 12 districts. 12 districts. Tod em go we mit many the depth. Eastern West Khasi Hill. Which is the only country that border to Meghalaya? The Bundati Pini, Pipin option. Correct answer B, to Bangladesh, via January, Meghalaya, via top border. How many divisions are in Meghalaya? Mgile division. Correct answer D, Giant Hill, Khasi Hill, and Garo Hill. Which is the only India state that border to Meghalaya? Correct answer A, to border via B, Meghalaya, to Assam state. Which Bangladesh division border Meghalaya to the southern side? Wa em check southern side yang Meghalaya to correct answer B, Menminsing division and Sylhet division. Which is the state animal of Meghalaya? Correct answer B, the clouded leopard. Which Bangladesh division border Meghalaya to the western side? Correct answer B, Rangpur division. Which is the state bird of Meghalaya? Correct answer D, Hill Maina. What nickname did the British Emperor authorities give to the Shillong during the British rule of India? Correct answer C, Scotland of the East. What is the state tree of Meghalaya? Correct answer B, Gamhar. What is the official language of Meghalaya? Correct answer A, English. The TPP pun hai kan man official atau English. Which system of is follow in Meghalaya? Correct answer C, matrilineal system. Who is the longest service chief minister of Meghalaya? Correct answer B, Mukul Sangma. Nyaus name Lespa Khatra Des Manu kamu chief minister yang kami Meghalaya. Which is the wettest state in India? Correct answer A, to Meghalaya. Who was the first Indian National Congress Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Correct answer A, William A. Sangma. Which is the wettest region in Meghalaya? Correct answer C, Mawsynram. Which political party did Don Kupar Roy, the 10th Chief Minister of Meghalaya, belong to? To manu ka party yang United Democratic Party. Correct answer C. What is the length of the national highway in Meghalaya? Correct answer A, 1,170 kilometer. Who became 12th Chief Minister of Meghalaya? The TV Bunapi to 12th Chief Minister yang Meghalaya to Conrad K. Sangma. Correct answer B. Which is the tallest plung waterfall in Meghalaya? Correct answer D, No Kalikai waterfall. Under which constituency did Conrad Sangma fight for the election 2018. Correct answer D. Tura. Which is the smallest district of Meghalaya? Correct answer D. West Garo Hill. Tokawa Kiandu district of Meghalaya. Which is the area rank of Meghalaya among the northeast state? Correct answer A. Third. Who was elected as the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya when Conrad Sangma was elected as the Chief Minister? Correct answer B. Preston Tensong. What is the state code of Meghalaya? Latipi. Correct answer B. ML. When was Meghalaya became an autonomous state within Assam? 1st April 1970. Correct answer B. Which is the state motto of Meghalaya? Satyameva Jayante. Correct answer C. Who was the first governor of Meghalaya? Correct answer C. Braj Kumar Nehru. Which is the highest point of in the Garo Hill? Correct answer B. Nokrek Peak. Which is the 19th governor of Meghalaya? Who is the 19th governor of Meghalaya? Correct answer D. Satyapal Malik. What is the highest average rainfall in some area of Meghalaya? Correct answer A. 12,000 millimeter. What is the elevation of Tura Peak? Correct answer A. 872 meter. How many seats does Meghalaya Legislative Assembly contain? P. Correct answer A. 60. How many seats does Meghalaya have in the Rajya Sabha? Answer A. Correct answer A. 1 seat. Which is Nokre National Park located? Correct answer A. West Garo Hill District. How many seats does Meghalaya have in the Lok Sabha? Correct answer C. 2 seats. When was Meghalaya High Court established? Correct answer C. March 2013. Where is Balpakram National Park located? Southwest Garo Hill District. Correct answer B. Who was the first Chief Minister of Meghalaya? First Chief Justice of High Court. Correct answer A. T. Meena Kumari. How many wildlife sanctuaries are in Meghalaya? Correct answer B. 3. Nongkhalem Wildlife Sanctuary, Sizu Sanctuary, and Brakmara Sanctuary. When did Meghalaya receive the status of the full-fledged state by the Northeast State Area Acts? In 1971. Correct answer B. When did Shillong become the capital of Assam? In 1874. Correct answer B. What is the species name of Mi Mang Koksi, a local name of pitcher plant found in Meghalaya? Correct answer D. Nepenthes casina. Who coined the term Meghalaya? Correct answer B. S.P. Chatterjee. What is Sizu Cave no in English? Correct answer A. Bat Cave. Which is the highest point in Meghalaya? Correct answer D. Shillong Peak. Which is the largest bird found in Meghalaya? Correct answer B. Great Indian Hornbill. Which is the longest river in Meghalaya? Correct answer B. Simsang River. Which is the population growth of Meghalaya from 2001 to 2011 as per the census report of the Census of India? Correct answer D. 27.8%. Which section of the plateau in Garo Hill region is nearby the plain? Correct answer A. Western section. Which region is mostly found in Meghalaya? Which religion is mostly found in Meghalaya? Correct answer A. Christianity. The orang Emsani. Which is the largest group in Meghalaya? Correct answer B. Khasi. The ubon pai demo Meghalaya. The you could not any part 1. The ladang kwa chu piu tips pang Meghalaya general knowledge Meghalaya. Nangge chu piu pai Eka patu lini dan continue te kam aging kerjaan pi te support te like te share on gig video te subscribe lang channel to ite dan hi te kubule jibun.